Hey guys, happy Wednesday. Hope you're having a great day. For our reading lesson today, we're going to be reviewing our superpowers again and practicing does the word make sense? Okay, so I wanted to review our superpowers. I know we've talked about this. Just remember that you are a super reader and practice using all those powers. Why isn't it going? Okay, remember pointer power. Use that finger for tracking your print. Some of you are still doing that. A lot of you are kind of you're reading much better, and so you're kind of steering away from that. So that's okay. As you read longer books, if you get better, when you get better at reading, you will start to drop off that power. Okay. Reread power. Go back. Make sure you reread it if you don't understand it. Picture power. Those pictures are very important in helping us figure out the words and what's going on in the text. Snap word power, our sight words. That's why it's so important to memorize those sight words. Sound power, listening for those letters, blending them. Fun. Partner power. I know we're not at school, but I know you guys loved using that partner power where you could share your thoughts and what was going on, and you could kind of stop and retell with your partner. Maybe if you have a sibling at home, you could teach them about partner power and show them how that works. All right, so there's our chart. I want you to remember, when we read, we want to always make sure, does it make sense? Okay, does that word make sense in the text? Does that word look right? The word I'm saying, does that look like that word might be? Does it sound right? Okay? Today, we're going to be reading Harry Bear on the Roof. And this is by Joy Cowley. If you remember, does anybody remember what she wrote? Yeah, she wrote Miss Wishy-Washy. And I know we did a lot of those with our shared reading, okay? So this is a series of her, Harry Bear. I don't think we ever read any of his, but he's on the roof today. So I want you to take a moment and look at the cover and see what you see, okay? Use that picture. Kind of predict what you think this story is going to be about, okay? Because I want to teach you today that when readers read, they always make sure that the words they say sound right, okay? All right, so we're going to look. I see he's got on some blue jeans, a shirt. I see a hammer. He's got something in his hand. He's on the roof, like the title says. Let's look at his face. What's his face doing right there? He kind of looks unsure, right? Do you think you might be a little scared if you were going up on the roof? Oh, I do. I don't like heights. The bird's kind of funny. He's looking at him very funny. So I wonder why, good readers are always wondering, why is he going on the roof? And I'm thinking, oh, he's got that in his hand. That looks like the roof. Maybe he has to fix the roof. What do you guys think? He's kind of got his tools on, so maybe he's going to fix something on the roof. All right, this is the first page. Here we go. I'm going to take a look at the pictures. They have a house, and he has a Mrs. Bear beside him. And if you want to read with me, feel free to, okay? Harry Bear and Mrs. Bear have a big new house. And here's that pattern power. It's going to probably be repeated. It's got bold. Let's listen. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. But the roof has a hole and the rain come in. Oh, no. Oh, no. Wait a minute. When I read that didn't sound right. But when the roof has a hole and the rain come in, do we say that? Do we say, and the rain come in? Does that sound like something we would say when we were talking to each other? No, look, I'm going to go back and I'm going to say, oh, that has a S at the end. It's not come in, it's comes in. That sounds right. But the roof has a hole and the rain comes in. Oh, no. Oh, no. So what do they have right there, boys and girls? Looks like a leak. Have you ever had a leak in your house? We just had one in our house, and I tell you, it's not fun. Okay, Next page. Oh, he's got his hammer out. Oh, look, he's fixing the roof. You can see he's got some nails and a plier. He's only got 1 foot on that ladder still. Do you think you know what's going to happen? All right, let's read. Ready? Hairy Bear is on the roof. He fixed the leak. Oh, yes, he fixed the leak. Does that sound right to you? No, it doesn't sound right. You're right. You're such a good listener. It is not fix. When I go back and look at that word, it's got that S on the end again. He fixes the leak. Oh, fixes. That's what that word says. I used my sound power to make sure that sounded right. He fixes the leak. But the roof is wet and he slipped down. Oh no. Did I read that right? Go back and think. But the roof is wet and he slipped down. He slipped down? No, that doesn't sound right. He doesn't slip down. He slips down. But the roof is wet and he slips down. Oh no! Look, does he look scared? Would you be scared if you were about to fall? Now I'm going to think, hey, I read that word, slip, last time, and I'm going to pay extra attention. And I know now that says slips. I'm going to read it correctly. He slips down to the ladder. I got that now. I have that sound power. Will he grab it? Will he grab it? Read with me. It's bold and it's got an exclamation point. Oh, yes. So he's going to be saved? Oh, no. The ladder falls down. Hairy Bear falls down too. Oh no, is he going to be okay? Look at his face. He's so, Hairy Bear grabs the roof and hold on his paws. Oh, let me reread that with my sound power. It didn't sound right. Hairy Bear grabs the roof and holds on with his paws. That's that snap word, his. Oh yes. But his paws slip. One paw, the other paw, he falls down. Oh no. Now see, I know he fall down wouldn't sound right. So I read it, he falls down. Under Hairy Bear is a big let me flip that vowel. Tree and a little bush. Oh yes. He's saved by the bush, boys and girls. Hairy Bear misses the big leafy tree. Oh no. But he falls into the little bush. Oh yes. Uh-oh, boys and girls, let's see. It looks like that bush. What do you think a bush is? That's right. The bush is a rose bush with sharp. That sounds right. Sharp. Ooh, what's this word? What's that? TH. With sharp thorns. Thorns. Yeah. Oh no. So the bush had sharp thorns. Hairy Bear is not hurt by the fall off the roof. Oh yes. So it looks like that rose bush helped save him. How do you think Hairy Bear might feel if he falls in a rose bush? Oh, silly. It has a silly ending. But he has a rose thorn in his nose. Oh no. All right, so I hope you enjoyed Harry Berry. Here, I keep calling him Harry Berry. Harry Bear and the roof. And I want you to practice that when you read today, too. I know you have a little sheet to do in Seesaw, but I also want you to practice when you're reading to self, making sure those words sound right. Tracking that word, looking, sounding out all the things. All right? Good job, guys. See you later. Well, it's not ending.